ready to bend Minecraft Bedrock to your will with the ultimate tool for creators. First things first, make sure you're in a world where you have operator privileges. This means you need to have cheats enabled if you're creating a new world. You'll find the Activate Cheats toggle in the world settings for existing worlds. You can enable cheats through the edit settings for that world. Alright, once you're in your game, it's time to summon the power. Open your chat window. This is usually done by pressing the / key. Now, type in the give command, followed by your username, and then the item identifier for the command block. It's very important you spell it correctly. Hit enter, and bam, a command block should magically appear in your inventory. Place the command block down wherever you desire. Now, you can tap or right-click to open its interface and unleash your creativity. Remember to be responsible with your newfound power. And that's all there is to it. You can now begin your journey to mastering command blocks and creating awesome projects. See you in the next one.